So in this video, we're going to be discussing evergreen products and evergreen niches to go into. So what is evergreen? When I refer to evergreen products, these are niches and verticals that we can promote affiliate products that have a long-term time to run. So for example, weight loss pills. Weight loss is always going to be around. That's a never stop ending growing vertical. Everybody's going to be looking for weight training. Everyone's going to be looking for weight loss products. So that is considered an evergreen product. Start to think about who your target market is. Now another niche, e-commerce. E-commerce is non-stop growing, very friendly to run on all traffic sources. So the next evergreen niche is make money online. Everybody's interested in wealth, financial freedom. That's an evergreen niche. Now to think about what isn't an evergreen niche, I'll give you a few examples. Fidget spinners. That is considered an e-commerce product that you can actually promote. I still see affiliate networks have fidget spinner products. That target market is actually a small niche market. I would not promote fidget spinners. So start thinking about how big is my target audience for the product that I actually want to promote. So overall, in the beginning, when you're choosing your first affiliate product that you're actually wanting to run, start thinking about evergreen niches, and we're actually going to dive right into the computer screen, and I'm going to show you some more in-depth evergreen niches that you guys can actually start promoting in. So now we're going to talk about what is an evergreen product. Whenever I think about this question, I start to ask myself, ask yourself these questions. How aware is my audience? For example, if I'm going to market a weight loss product, that market is huge. Now, if I want to market a fidget spinner, for example, that market is more very niche. So when you're considering choosing your campaign and getting started and looking for an affiliate product to promote, start with an evergreen niche. A niche that's going to be around in a couple years from now, that's not going to be a fad that it dies in 6 months from now. When you build your campaign, you want to make your campaign sustainable and also scalable. Now, you can make money fast on trends, but I want you to look for products in the beginning and start looking for products that are going to be more long-term campaigns that you can build. Now, I put a few examples of evergreen niches. Diabetes, that's a huge niche. Diets, money and wealth, supplements, e-commerce, romance, people want love, travel, people want to travel the world. These are evergreen niches that we can promote our affiliate products in. We just have to find the right audience. Now, let me show you here. Fidget spinners. Everybody remembers when fidget spinners were hot. Everybody was selling them, everyone was buying them. This is not an evergreen product. I would stay away from products just like this. Affiliate networks have e-commerce products. When this product was popular, this was actually in networks. So I want to show you a few more examples of what products are not evergreen niches to go into. So right here, we're logged into Affiliate X, and I'm going to just scroll down and we're going to talk about some of these offers in here. So right here, this Win Samsung Galaxy S9, this would be a big market, but this is something I would stay away from. So we have Walmart here. It says a gift card, win $1,000 for desktop and mobile United States traffic. Walmart's very popular, but to me, that offer and that product is not evergreen. So that's something that I would try to avoid and not promote that Walmart offer. Look for evergreen niches. Now, I'll give you an example right here. So right here, I'm going to put weight loss. And let's just say 1 billion people are in our market in the weight loss. And then in the fidget spinner, let's just say we have 10 million. These are just estimates as examples. Bear with me on the handwriting now. But whenever you're choosing a product, think about these 3 questions. How big is my market? How aware is my audience? And when my audience is aware, we don't have to try to sell them as hard. So for promoting a weight training product, our audience is more of aware of that. But if we want to promote a very niche product on how to build your shoes from scratch, that's a very niche market. So think about going into a market that has a big return on your investment, a big audience that we can target very easily to get cheaper traffic overall, but also make conversions while we're going into bigger evergreen niches. See you in the next video.